Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards for your general energy, Scorpios. We have King of Swords, Ace of Wands in reverse, and Queen of Cups. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who's who's really dedicated, devoted, and you are a really helpful person. And today in your situation, maybe you are kind and compassionate, helping the people in your work or in your relationship, maybe this person you love, and your actions are guided by your intuition. So in your heart of hearts, you know what is the right thing to do, and you proceed in a right way in your situation, guys. Maybe in your work, maybe some decisions you need to make, your intuition is telling you. Or it may be in your relationship, certain things you are planning or thinking of, you have your intuition telling you the right things to do, and you are a pillar of strength in your situation. So people come to you for guidance and support, and you are ready for action, ready to make the efforts needed in your work or in your personal life. So you are a very responsible person, guys, Scorpios, and you are always willing to help, and you are a very kind and compassionate soul, Scorpios. And maybe today you have certain offers or opportunities opening for you. Maybe in your work situation, you have new projects or financial deals or whatever it is. It may be some work related offers, but you are making a lot of efforts to hold on to these opportunities, trying really hard, doing your best, putting in a lot of efforts and using all your time, energy, and skills to hold on. So there may be some difficulties, though your situation looks like, from the outward, it looks like something good. Maybe inwardly, in your heart of hearts, you are going through a lot today, guys. So maybe you look good outside, but there are a lot of things in your mind today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. We have King of Pentacles. So in this relationship, maybe with this person, you may share a beautiful understanding. You both respect, love, and care for each other, and things are going in a very positive way because of your your cheerful nature, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your work situation. It is Six of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, there are people who are really envious of you, jealous of you. That may be the reason they are behaving in a particular way, guys. Maybe they are creating a lot of obstacles and trying to create problems for you in your work situation, guys, Scorpios. So if you are careful enough, you are going to avoid a lot of difficulties today, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have and the words we speak to people. It has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth, and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.